struggle is real. Low on supplies. It's been at least 48 hours since I've had a latte. I'm gonna risk the elements and try to make it into town for Starbucks. All right, so it's day 2 of Harper. Well, actually, I'm kind of confused because last night was night 1. So would this be day 1 or day 2? Or day 1.5? Let's call it day 2. But I couldn't even get out of my front door. Let's see if we can even open up the back door. Yeah, look at that. Snow is up past the door. Let's take a little step outside. All right. Here we are. I'm going to call this day 2. Look at it, it's like up to the license plates on my car. And also it's currently 17 degrees. It says the wind chill is 0. I have my little tape measure, so let's see how deep this is today. I don't think I mind the snow as much as the friggin' cold. So there we go in the backyard. We got about 8 inches in the driveway. Oh man, yeah, you can't even see my actual driveway. They got the street plowed a little at least. Let's see what we got here in the drive. Got 4 inches there. Let's go out to the front yard. Can't see my steps. This is where I walked last night. You can't even tell there are any footprints out here. Oh, this is really deep. 11 inches. A foot of snow, people. All right, yeah, so that's all I'm gonna say. It's day 2. A foot of snow. 0 degree wind chill. I hope I got enough food. I went to the grocery store the other day, but every time they say there's gonna be these big storms, they over exaggerate, so I really only had enough for like a day. I mean, if I can get to the main road, that's not bad, but look at this. People in Ohio, this reminds me of the winter '78. I think that was like one of the worst storms we ever had in Ohio. Oh, man. So the main road, they plowed it. Here comes a car, better get out the way. But if I can get down to the main road, I can make it to a store. But it's getting out of the driveway. That's the challenge. Yeah. Thought I was gonna come out and like shovel a little bit. I don't know, it's so freaking cold. Yeah, look at this. There's no way. I got a little Honda in the back that I don't think it's gonna make it out this driveway. Fortunately, it's a Sunday, no work today. Supposed to be at work tomorrow, but you just have to see how that's gonna work out. Let's take a walk over by the car. Look at that. Snow is up to the license plates on the car. You look under there, you kind of get an idea on how deep it is. Past the center of the hubcaps. Look at that, it's up past the door. I don't even know if I'll be able to open up my door. Let's see. Yeah, and of course, it's also ice, not just snow, which means this crap's gonna be really, really heavy. I kind of want to start my car up just to have it run a little bit.
Coast, New York City, pretty and gritty, home of Biggie and Diddy. Come on, holla at me if you're feeling proud. This where the people move a mile a minute with stylish gimmicks. Come on, if you with it, man, say it loud. New York. The feeling is right, I'm stealing the night. Guided by Lady Liberty's light. So if you're trying to win the rat race.
Still day 2, got a little break in the snow finally. As soon as I say that, it starts blowing in my face. Like, see where I shoveled earlier is already kind of covered up, but I'm going to try to get that cleared out a little bit more. Yeah, so let's get back to work.
In the ATL, that's my homeboy. Watch your back if you're gonna walk alone, boy. Cause everybody in the homeboys trying to get rich. You could get hit even if you know 'em, boy. We the kings of the South. Pies in the oven, grills in the mouths.
Well, I got to the point where I can finally move my car. So I got that bit done. But I still had this super long driveway. Let's look how deep it still is right here. I can tell I'm not really hitting the bottom. The problem I'm running into is down there right by the street, where there's a little bit of a hill. I hit a little ice and it's hard to get up and down the driveway. I feel like I've been out here forever. All right, let's get started on this part.
In the ATL, that's my homeboy. Watch your back if you're gonna walk alone, boy. Cause everybody in the homeboys trying to get rich. You could get hit even if you know 'em, boy. We the kings of the South. Pies in the oven, grills in the mouths. Count stacks is a usual norm. College Park, Bank here, where the hustle was born. So peace up,
okay.
A-Town down.
That's all I got in me for now. So I'm gonna see if I can actually get out of my driveway. I'm gonna have to do it eventually, so hopefully I don't get stuck. Let's see how this goes. Just shoveled like probably less than an hour ago. It was nice, it was sunny, and now this crap is coming down again. So I'm going to attempt to make it out of the driveway. Let's see if we can do this and actually then make it back home. So making it out of the driveway wasn't a problem, but making it back in might be a challenge. There's a very slight hill, and yeah, especially with one hand because I don't have a phone holder right now. But let's see if we can do this. Let's make this turn, get a little speed going. Come on. And no. So I actually did make it back up the drive. I just had to back up and get a little speed going. All right, so I'm back at home and it's getting cold and windy out here again. It's like every time you think this stuff stops, it starts back up. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in and watch some football and let's see how night, oh, brr, that was cold. Let's see how night 2 goes.